Good morning! It's Sunday and we're gonna go to my uncle's house and maybe visit the park. We're ready to go, so maybe we're just gonna go straight on the park since it is 10:30 and maybe just drop by in uncle's house on our way home. Okay.
Sisipit pala ako sinabi ni Papa.
Tierra Santa. Right here is Tierra High. This is my brother's former school. Sa trail. And we're here now in the park. I found a nice spot with a shade. We're here in the Tierra Santa Park.
Shop tayo ng inamin.
Mommy's busy playing with poo. Hello park! Long time no see! The Jacaranda trees are blooming now. I was expecting that there's a lot more. There's one here isn't blooming yet. We used to walk here like almost every afternoon when we used to live with my uncle 9 years ago. Beautiful tree. Puno ng Jacaranda. That's the Jacaranda tree. The flowers. Beautiful purple flowers in the ground.
Yun sa baba.
Last year, I got some seeds here. Or buto. These are Jacaranda seeds. I got some last year and germinated the seeds, so I have my Jacaranda now. Planning to grow it in a big pot. Oh, there's no seed, it's empty. Look at that beautiful color. What's that?
Bababa pa lang natin, nanghihingi na ng mangunguya-nguya. Sabi ko, hindi siya nagdala. Binigay ko ito sa kanya, hindi niya tatanda na nang hindi ubos eh. Ayun yung paborito mo, oh.
Wait, I'm chatting Hame. Happy Mama Day daw. Happy Mama Day. Maganda dito mag-imo. Sa picture doon nakaupo si Tracy. Right there, Mama. Gali. No? This is one of the benches where I used to sit, and there's a school there. Mom would walk in the afternoon and I'm just lazy to walk, so I would just sit and watch her. Here's more jacaranda. Puno ng jacaranda. And here's some lilim or shades. Uh-oh, right there is the bird. Flew away. Bird or ibon. Here's some tiny flowers here. Color yellow, they're so tiny. And has 5 petals. Yellow or dilaw, and grasses is damo. This one again is empty. Now I'm lazy to walk. Tamad na ako, tamad. Tamad is lazy. It's now 11:15 but it's not hot, it's windy. Or mahangin, wind is mahangin. And I remember in the Philippines when we're harvesting rice, my dad used to say, if you wanna call the wind, just whistle. But it's already windy. I wanna take some photos under the shade, so photos or litrato. So I'm gonna have to say bye-bye. I have to end the video now. Just click on the about section and see the Tagalog words in there. Bye-bye.